players.
This is Jeopardy!
Ain't no party like a Jeopardy party.
We're with Liam after his 4th military move, when being new is starting to get old. Are you with them? Learn more at uso.org today.
Travel consideration provided by...
Dry eye still gritty, scratchy, and tired? With MyBo, eyes can feel... MyBo is the only prescription dry eye drop that directly targets too much tear evaporation by forming a protective layer. Don't use if allergic to MyBo. Remove contacts before using. Wait at least 30 minutes before putting them back in. Eye redness and blurred vision may occur. Ask your eye doctor about MyBo.
Fresh off their World Cup halftime performance, BTS is back in the U.S. for their world tour.
All right, we're going to leave you now with their video for Normal. Enjoy, and y'all take care.
Night.